Oh no. Somebody's using the clothes dryer. It's pulling 57 amps from those poor little batteries. Oh no. It's a whole lot of amperage. Anyways, we're here for the unboxing of the oh, what are this? Very nice, very nice. Oh, what are these cables? Look at this little piece of thingy, super well protected. Oh, nice. I should not be touching this, but oh yes, it looks like it's one of them parallel boards for the Mr. Pips. Hello, Mr. Pip. Oh yes, that clothes dryer pulls a whole lot of power. So that's it, huh? Parallel board for the Pip with its cable. I thought it came with power sharing cable as well, but it doesn't. Or does it? So that's it, folks. Very quick update. I now have, oh, here are the cable sharing, power sharing cables, I guess. I have the two parallel boards and they're ready to go. Unfortunately, we went away for the weekend. We went away last Friday and just came back yesterday, so my beautiful solar panels are just sitting here waiting for the pergola to be built. That's it. Nothing new. It's a new box with another one of those 125 amp breakers. Oh, them MC4 connectors. Two of those 30 amp breakers. Okay. All right. Have a nice day, everyone. Short update. Thank you for watching.